What is good, guys? I'm Austin with Chonker Crypto, and today you guys get to go inside the mind of a crypto nerd as I reveal my entire crypto portfolio for this upcoming bull run. Keep in mind, guys, I recommend not just copy trading me. This is more so used as a reference so you can get ideas of new coins to research yourself and then potentially invest in if you feel like it's the right choice. Always remember, guys, crypto can be insanely profitable, but on the other hand, all investing comes with inherent risk, especially crypto. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure you do your own research and due diligence before risking any of your hard-earned money, and at the very least, only risk what you're willing to lose. Real quick, before we get into it, I got to show you guys how I'm going to format the portfolio. It's going to be into 3 different categories, all depending on market cap. Why this matters is generally, the higher market cap a coin has, the less returns and less risk it has. Whereas coins with lower market cap generally have higher risk, but potentially higher returns. So, like I said, they're going to be into 3 different categories. Large cap cryptos, which are ones that have more than $10 billion in market cap. Mid cap cryptos, which have $1 billion to $10 billion in market cap. And small cap cryptos, ones that have less than $1 billion in market cap. So here's how we're going to list them. Like I said, starting off large cap, mid cap, small cap, and right here kind of goes along with what I was saying. The higher market cap, less risk, less rewards. The smaller market cap, the higher risk, the higher returns. Some people are happy investing into large cap coins with less risk, and they get say a 3x or a 5x. And then other people are happy investing into small cap coins, which are much more risky, but you can potentially walk away with say 20x or more. In my portfolio, I have stuff from all 3 different categories. So I have coins ranging from like $30 billion market caps all the way down to $50 million market caps. So now you guys have an understanding of how I'm going to format my entire portfolio. Let's get into it. So I'm going to do 3 things with each pick. I'm going to show the coin, tell you guys a little bit about it that I like, and then show some price history. So the highest market cap coin that I currently own is Cardano. Currently sitting at around 77 cents. We scroll down on CoinGecko here. Looks like the all-time high was over 309, September 2nd of 2021. So I think Cardano is definitely one of the more safe and definitely more boring picks of my portfolio. A lot of people don't like it because it's so boring. It's currently at a $27 billion market cap, which makes it less susceptible to, price variation. So it's going to be harder for it to go back up. But it's definitely one of the more popular cryptos in the entire world. I think it's definitely one of the most accessible. And speaking to people that are new into crypto, Cardano is one of the first ones that I hear about them purchasing all the time. Aside from that, I think Charles Hoskinson is gonna continue creating what he's been doing in moving the ball forward for Cardano. For those unaware, Charles Hoskinson is the co-founder of Ethereum and now founder of Cardano. So I think that gives him major weight within the space. And now we have the list updated to reflect our Cardano pick. Let's keep on going. We have Polkadot. Currently sitting at $9.74 with a market cap of over $13 billion currently. If we scroll down, looks like the previous all-time high is $54.98, almost $55. And that was November 4th of 2021, over 2 years ago. One of the things I like most about Polkadot is the staking. If we check here currently on their official staking network website, looks like the staking rewards is at over 17% currently, which is kind of insane. And not only that, there's over 52% of the current supply of DOT staked, which is also kind of insane. Another thing I really like is if we come to developerreport.com, which is a website that shows the monthly active developers for different crypto networks. If we scroll down, we can see the top ecosystem currently is Ethereum, but right below that, very next is Polkadot with 792 full-time active developers working on projects or stuff on their network. So to me, that's a giant green flag for when I'm investing into something. I think Polkadot is going to continue to grow, seeing as it has so many developers working on apps and things on their network. So that is great for the future. And now we add Polkadot to the list that had a market cap of $13 billion. Last up for my large cap picks, we have Chainlink. Currently sitting at around $20.45. Let's scroll down. Looks like the all-time high, $52.70. And that was May 10th, 2021. just about 3 years ago currently. The number one reason why I like Chainlink and think it's going to continue to be successful in the future is simply the technology behind the blockchain itself. So Chainlink features something called an oracle. I'm on Chainlink's website and I'm going to read a little definition about what it is. Blockchain oracles are entities that connect blockchains to external systems, thereby enabling smart contracts to execute based upon inputs and outputs from the real world. So what that's saying in a little bit dumbed down terms is the blockchain oracle on Chainlink can be hooked up to data from the real world that is not currently connected to any crypto or blockchain, stuff like that, and then put it onto the blockchain to be used by smart contracts. So this means companies, businesses, anything that is currently not connected to the blockchain that has nothing to do with crypto can use the Chainlink oracle, put their stuff onto the blockchain, and then use smart contracts. So like I was saying, this means any business, ones that have nothing to do with crypto, nothing to do with any blockchain, can get their data and information put onto the blockchain to be used by smart contracts, which is very powerful stuff for companies and businesses. If we look at Chainlink's website, we have some of their partners just scrolling across right here. Partner with NBA, Lemonade, Swiss.com, Nexus Mutual. This is just part of them. You click on the ecosystem up here, shows some more. CoinGecko, Coinmetrics. They have literally thousands of partnerships already. Here's just a couple more of their partners: Google, Amazon AWS. But mainly the point I want to get home is that if and when more and more businesses start adopting this technology to where they can put their information onto the blockchain to be used by smart contracts, Chainlink is going to explode. So we're going to add Chainlink to the list here, which is at $11 billion market cap currently. And then next up we have mid-cap coins. First up on that list, guys, we have Immutable, currently sitting at $2.98, just under $3. We're going to scroll down, check the previous all-time high, $9.52, November 26, 2021, over 2 years ago. Immutable is a gaming coin. I'll show you a little bit about it and what I like. So Immutable isn't a game itself. It is actually an infrastructure for Web3 gaming, which is one of the reasons why I like it so much. Here I'm on their website. I'm just going to take you through it real quick. It shows they have over 150 games. They also host, this is showing 20 different marketplaces. Say for certain games have NFT marketplaces within that game that is connected to. Here I'm just going to scroll through some of the games. So as you can see, they just have an insane amount of games. Some of these I've actually played before and they're actually pretty cool. Gods Unchained I've played. Illuvium I've played before. So I think since they have so many games and they're constantly adding more, that one of them is eventually going to go mainstream or at least gain popularity this next cycle. And once that happens, the Immutable token is going to skyrocket. So that's the main reason why I like it. Immutable also on their website in a couple different places offers resources to the game developers themselves. So not only do they help host, say, the game on the blockchain and their NFT marketplace that's connected to that game, but they can also give, say, packs of code to the game developers for something such as like a wallet integration, so they don't have to spend time programming that part of the game and they can work on the game itself. All right, let's add Immutable to the list. They have a $4 billion market cap, and let's continue. Injective is next up on our list, currently sitting at $38.32. Let's check out the previous all-time high, which it just hit, $46.08, 5 days ago. Injective has been going absolutely nuts these past few months, sitting at under $2 to skyrocketing to over 46. As I just showed you guys, it is many people's favorite DeFi pick this cycle, I feel like, mine included. So I'm going to scroll down and just show you guys a little bit about their ecosystem. They have their own decentralized exchange. They have their own NFT marketplace. But my favorite thing about Injective, honestly, is it's backed by not only Binance, but Mark Cuban. Now we throw Injective on the list with a $3 billion market cap. We got APCOIN up next, guys. Currently sitting at $2.13. Previous all-time high, $26.70. April 28th, 2022, almost 2 years ago from now. So the main reason why I like ApeCoin, guys, is because it's created by Yuga Labs, the same people behind Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is the biggest NFT collection in the crypto market space. They're coming out with their own game, and that game is going to use APCOIN as their currency. So I feel like once that game releases, APCOIN could potentially do crazy numbers. I'm going to show you guys just a quick trailer of an upcoming event from their game, from their upcoming game that they put out about a month ago. And like I said, once I think this releases, since APCOIN is going to be their currency to buy stuff within that game, and we know how crypto people are, I think this is going to go nuts. We're now adding APCOIN to the list that has about a $1 billion market cap. Next up on our list, we have Oasis Network, currently sitting at 15 cents with a $1 billion market cap. The previous all-time high, 59 cents, just under 60. January 15th, 2022, a little bit over 2 years ago. One of the main things I like about Oasis Network is the technology behind it. It focuses on privacy and security. It says enables customizable confidentiality for developers and enables users to have complete control over the confidentiality of their information. On top of that, Oasis Labs partnered with Meta, formerly known as Facebook, to help work on their AI models, which is a great look for the coin. And now we add Oasis at $1 billion market cap and continue. First up on our small cap coins, we have Alium, which is a gaming coin, currently sitting at $113.38. The market cap is currently at around 700 million. And the previous all-time high was 1,911, November 30th, 2021, over 2 years ago. So I think Alium has one of the best looking Web3 games out there currently, and has one of the highest chances of seeing adoption from people outside of just the crypto space. They have 3 separate games that actually tie in with each other. I'm going to show you guys just a quick YouTube video of theirs, kind of showcasing their game. I'm just going to show a couple clips, skip through it. They have an open world-esque one. This is this game currently that they're showing. They have a town builder, and then they also have an arena battler. This is part of their arena battler that they have. Out of all the crypto games out there, I definitely think this one has one of the higher chances of, like I said, actually seeing adoption from people that are outside of just the crypto space. Now we add Alium, 700 million. And up next, we have Superverse, sitting at $1.39. This was formerly known as Super Farm. Market cap around 600 million currently. Previous all-time high, $4.74. March 31st, just about 3 years ago from today. One of the main things I like about Superverse is that it was founded by Elio Trades, who is one of my favorite crypto YouTubers and someone who I think holds major weight within the space. On top of that, the token itself, the Superverse, seems very cool. It is a gaming platform for Web3 games, similar to Immutable. One thing I like about this one is all the games use one token. So this ensures if any one of these games goes viral, hits any sort of mainstream popularity, that Superverse is going to be going insane. Now we can add Superverse with around $600 million market cap and continue. Alright, we're getting towards the end. Second to last, we have Vulcan Forge, which is another gaming coin. You're going to see a trend on a lot of these small cap coins from me. Currently sitting at around $7.97. The market cap of 190 million. Let's scroll down. Previous all-time high was $49.24, December 1st, 2021, over 2 years ago. With these gaming coins, the things I like about them are pretty similar between them all. It's just that they have multiple games that look good, in hopes that one potentially goes mainstream, goes viral, gets popularity, which will then make the coin go parabolic. As I stated earlier, smaller cap coins are much more risky than others, but I feel like gaming is going to be a big thing within crypto, and all it takes is just one of them to go mainstream before money just starts flooding into here to, fund all these underfunded crypto gaming projects that people are going to be into at that point. All right, let's add it to the list. And our last pick is up next. Last but not least, guys, we have Katana ADA, which is another gaming coin. Currently sitting at 0.002 with a market cap of $55 million. We scroll down, previous all-time high was 0.009, December 24th, 2021, about 2 years ago. So Katana ADA is a Web3 Battle Royale game, and it actually looks pretty badass. This is their website. Their website's pretty well put together. I'm just going to show you one of their trailers that they have on here.
Everywhere the NFTs are distributed, because a new era has been way to open get and get.
Our beloved moon, Katana ADA. Stay until the end, Sensei.
They have the Doge Dog. Trailer looks badass. Here's a little bit of the customization they have. And then some gameplay. It actually looks pretty fluid and pretty cool. I definitely like the look of this game. So as I said, this is probably my riskiest pick, but the potential upsides are absolutely insane if this game gets some popularity. So I feel comfortable holding it into my portfolio. And lastly, we add it with a $50 million market cap. And there you have it, guys. A crypto nerd's portfolio completely revealed. Like I said earlier in the video, I recommend not just copying all my picks, but I would start off going with, how much risk you're willing to take. And then from there, take some of these picks, start researching them yourselves, and see what you come up with. If you guys liked this video or gained any information at all from this, please hit that like button and consider hitting that sub button. It helps the channel, guys. Thank you.